Hey man, changelings. Sarah the Changeling here. Been a while since I talked with the freaking phone face up. Like, yeah, like that's my background right there. So, I can't show you guys physically unless you're on my TikTok. But I have little YNs for you guys. I have male, female, and a non-binary. I'm gonna post this right afterwards so you guys can tell me which type of YN I'm missing, like which gender. Like, I can't do too many. I cannot do too many YNs. I'm probably only gonna do like 4. Male, female, non-binary, just like 1 more, I don't know. So, give me a second, I'll turn the light on. Oh shoot, that doesn't help. There we go, there's that. Okay, holy crap. It's a little better. Okay. Okay. So, just give me a second, guys. I'm just gonna. Actually, I want to show you guys something. Hey, look, I got this for my birthday. It's a little flip thing that I have. I recently bought it, or got it from my aunt. I didn't buy it. I just asked for it. I don't know why I flipped it. I'm actually in a really good mood. I'm in a very happy mood. So the purple one has like been around for a while. So the purple axolotl has like been on this side for like it's been on the purple one for like a long time now because I'm in a very happy mood. I'm in like a stressed mood, but I don't think there's a like one for this where it's just happy or just mad. Where it's just happy or mad, like yeah. Yeet. Okay. Oh shoot, that's open. That is open. You guys should smell this. It smells great. If you guys could smell this, I'll tell you how great it smells. You know, I'm not suddenly a freaking channel for like beauty stuff and stuff. And, like, no way that will ever happen. This is more just like to calm my skin down. So. Okay, there's the website where to go. I just have like a Roku on. Okay, there it is. I'm blind, I swear. Oh, ha! Oh, it's freaking. I don't even know what it is.
You know, I always say this when you.
Just trying to find something to watch. Like, what I'm mad about is that they took Soul Eater off. Soul Eater's an anime if you guys don't know about it. Fucking CoComelon. Actually, there's a lot of animes on Netflix. Huh.
Hey guys, what is this?
A gate. It connects the inside and outside.
Outside? We've never been outside.
That's because we haven't left here since being born.
So is this what Mom always tells us about? Never go near the gator fence in the back of the forest because it's dangerous.
She says that, but it's not true. It's not?
Hey Ray, what would you do outside? Huh?
I don't know. You, Emma?
I'd ride a giraffe.
Good luck. This gate. You know, I wonder what it's really keeping us protected from.
It's not keeping you protected from nothing. That is your answer, Norman. It's for not protecting you from nothing. But no, it's not keeping you from anything. It's just making you sit there until you're old enough to die. So, yeah, that's about it. Okay. So that's all for today, my little changelings. Just wanted to talk to you guys for a bit and see how you guys were doing. I miss talking to you guys. I don't know why I don't freaking upload normally anymore. Actually, I never roleplay. I never actually. Okay. Until this day, I am posting each day after school. I promise you that. Okay. Bye, my little changelings. Love you all.